to Airtel Grid Girls Face of the Race. Well, the competition is in the closing moments of the task. और अब कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी. So Khushi, all geared up?
Yep.
Ready to go?
Yes.
Your time
starts now.
Tell me fast where to go over.
Okay, go straight and right. Go straight and right.
Babes, there is no right over.
Go straight, straight.
We can hear the partner, but we can't hear.
go straight, go straight.
छोटी है लेकिन बहुत चिल्लाती है.
Yeah, go straight. Keep going straight. Walk straight, walk straight.
And now?
I can't see her.
Crystal, now where?
Wait one sec. I can't see you. I can't see you.
बाहर निकलने ही नहीं वाली.
Okay.
Can you see me?
Yeah. I can see you. Okay, come towards the right.
Maybe there is no right.
Try finding your own way.
It's very complicated. I swear. I mean, I don't know what to do.
Walk towards your right.
There is no right. There is no right. It's just left and straight.
हर एक ऑर्डर जरूरी होता है.
Okay, go back to the way you. Okay, come there. Come out.
Hello. Finally here.
Crystal, where are you? Come. आइए. कैसे रही इनकी इंस्ट्रक्शंस?
हाँ, वो थोड़ा मिसगाइड हो गया था बीच में, but
Misguide. Pointing fingers. Well done.
Congratulations, girls. Well done. Very well done. Okay.
For some of them.
Yes, for some of them. And some of you, very badly done. Very disappointed in all of you.
I guess सबसे ज़्यादा difficulty जो मुझे हुई थी, I was spotting Marilyn inside the maze.
आप ही की गलती है ना अक्षिना. आप इतनी लंबी हो कि आप मेज से बाहर निकलती हैं.
I did not want to go because I was very green. So she might got confused.
Strategy.
यार मुश्किल बहुत हुई क्योंकि फिगर आउट करना रियली मुश्किल था. कभी-कभी तो मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रही थी कि कहाँ पे है. So I had to tell her कि actually wave your hand. Yeah, that was
उस पॉइंट पर भी नहीं दिखी जब वो बाहर आके खड़ी हो गई थी. अब
नहीं, तभी दिख गई लेकिन I was like so excited. I was like, okay, you're out.
End of the day, it was a task, so there are scores.
And in number 1 place is Akshina and Marilyn both.
That's not number 1.
हाँ है ना number 1 from the bottom.
Well,
In
number 6 that is.
place is Akshina and Marilyn Boro with a lovely time of 13 minutes and 20 seconds.
Cover that face for now.
Fifth spot.
Divya and Gabriella.
So proudly, yes. We are the second one. So proudly.
Number 4. हमारी injured soldier Crystal and Khushi.
Number 3, Kavita and Shikha with 5 minutes flat. Number 2,
Kritika and Urvashi with 4 minutes 45 seconds.
and in number 1 spot, Madonna and Marilyn Bothello with 2 minutes 51 seconds. Very well done. That was simply awesome.
But look at that, from 13 minutes to 2 minutes, you guys, that's a huge difference.
We are so happy that we came first place. It was totally unexpected. We thought everybody performed really well. But our happiness has no bounds, and I guess the Airtel color was lucky for us.
We are very happy, excited, but जब टास्क खत्म हुआ हम लोग बाहर आए, हम ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे बिकॉज हमें लगा कि जितना टाइम हमने लिया है ज़्यादा है और हमें लगा कि बाकी टीम्स हमसे कम टाइम लेंगे एंड वी वर क्वाइट नर्वस.
Well done, girls. So today's winners are Madonna and Marilyn Bothello with 25 points. Second place are Kritika and Urvashi, so they get 15 points. Third place goes to Kavita and Shikha, who get 10 points each. Crystal and Khushi are in 4th place and get 6 points. Divya and Gabriella get 2 points each for 5th position. And like in F1, no points to Akshina and Marilyn Boro for coming last. And at the end of today's task, the cumulative scores are... Ladies and gentlemen, we have finally come to the end of another exciting episode of F1 Grid Girls Face of the Race. And don't forget, you have to vote for your favorite girl.
That's right, क्योंकि आपके वोट्स के बेसिस पे और इन टास्क को कंबाइन करके हमें मिलेंगी the top 3 girls who will make the face of the race.